In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add live captions in OBS Studio. If you stream, present, or record tutorials, live captions are an easy way to make your content more accessible and easier to follow. We'll use a simple OBS plugin called Local Vocal to transcribe your microphone in real time and display the text right on your scene. Start by downloading and installing the Local Vocal plugin. Make sure OBS is closed while you run the installer so the files can register correctly. Follow the on-screen prompts, and when it's done, reopen OBS. If you don't see the filter in a later step, it usually means the plugin didn't install to the right place, so reinstall and try again. With OBS open, look at your audio mixer and find the microphone you plan to caption, typically labeled mic aux or the name of your audio device. Click the three dots next to that mic to open its options. From the menu, choose Filters. This is where we'll attach the plugin so it listens to your mic and generates captions. In the Filters window, add a new filter and choose Local Vocal from the list. This connects your microphone input to the captioning engine. You don't need to tweak anything yet. We first need a place to display the text. Back in your scene, add a new source and select Text, GDI+. This source will act as your on-screen caption box. Give it a clear name like Captions and set up the styling so it's easy to read. Pick a legible font, increase the size to be visible at a glance, and consider a high contrast color or a subtle background outline so the words stand out over gameplay or slides. Position it where you want captions to appear. Along the bottom center is common, while keeping it out of the way of important on-screen elements. Return to your microphone's filters window and open the local vocal filter settings. Choose the text source you just created as the output target so the plugin knows where to print the words. Next, select the speech recognition model. A lighter model can reduce CPU usage, while a larger one may improve accuracy. Pick what best fits your system. Then set the language to match how you'll be speaking so the transcription is as accurate as possible. That's it. Speak into your mic and you should see captions appearing live in your text source. If nothing shows, confirm your mic isn't muted, the correct mic has the filter, and the text source you selected still exists in the scene. You've now installed the plugin, added the filter, created your caption display, and linked everything together for live captions in OBS.